we will talk about the simple running suture. The simple running suture provides very fast closure in long incisions, but does not provide very satisfactory cosmetic results. That is why we mostly use it in less visible areas and also for long incisions. The key point here is that the suture line and bite distances remain proportional to each other throughout the closure, so no part of the wound closes too loosely or too tightly. Now let's show it in the video up close. We have an incision and we want to close it with a simple running suture. First, we start at the beginning and tie the knot, just as we would for a simple interrupted suture. We will tie a standard knot. Here, we are also using a monofilament suture for this technique. Yes, we have completed our standard knot. We can shorten the short end a little more so it does not get caught in the suture or tissue while tying the knot. Now we can start the continuous suture. We have not cut the long thread, so the long thread continues. Using equal intervals and the same bite distance, we have now begun to achieve a quick and even closure in a controlled manner. Here it is important that the thread does not stay underneath or pass below the other knot, and that the tension continues evenly in a controlled manner. Otherwise, it may cause increased ischemia in a specific part of the tissue, which can lead to poorer healing in that area later. We will continue all the way to the end of the wound, moving forward carefully with the same bite intervals and the same bite distance throughout the closure. You can clearly see that the wound is closing very quickly and efficiently here. This is why we usually use this suturing technique mostly on the trunk and scalp. And now we have reached the end of the wound. We go in and out one last time. There is a free side where the needle is located, and there is also a looped empty side. We use this part just like a short thread now. We hook it, seat the knot properly, and this completes the first knot with 2 secure half hitches. We now finish the knot and close the wound. We are going to talk about the simple continuous locked suture. This is a suturing technique that we use selectively among continuous suture techniques. It is highly effective and fast, provides hemostasis, and also ensures a watertight closure.